Hey, Shalom, brothers. All praises to Yahweh Ba'ashim Yahweh Shai. This video here is going to show you how to set up your live stream quick and easy. So the first thing you need to have a webcam, whether you have an external one or whether you have one on your laptop. You can use that one. And you're going to need to link your YouTube account to your phone number because you're going to want to verify your phone number to allow you to do live streams. So what you want to do is you want to log into your YouTube account. You want to go here, you want to go to my channel, you want to go to video manager here, and then right here on the left you'll see live streaming, and you want to go to events. Okay, see, I don't even have live streaming enabled here, so this is good. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this, enable live streaming. Oh, okay, I have been enabled. All right, so you're going to click on that, and usually what's going to happen is if you don't have your phone number linked up, it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. So you have to put your phone number in here, and then they're going to send you a code. They're going to text you a code, and you're going to have to put the code in here. Once you do that, then you'll be able to see what you just saw here. Congratulations, you have been enabled from live streaming. Only after you verify your phone number. Now, if you don't want to give up your phone number, I actually have a video on this same channel. I'll come back to this page, but on this channel I have a video, and I'll show you what it's called. Give me 1 second. Okay, it's called here, how to verify your YouTube account without your real phone number. So you can view that video, and this method should still work. Okay, again, the YouTube channel is Ye Know All Things. All right, Ye Know All Things is the YouTube channel. So put that in YouTube under search, exactly like this: case sensitive, capital Y, capital K, capital A, capital T. All right, so let's go back to where we were at. So again, once you got all that verified, your phone number, you log into YouTube, you go to my channel, you go to video manager. On the left, you go to live streaming. You go to events. What you're going to do is you're going to schedule a new event. So you click here, okay, and you give it a title. So I'll just call this how to live stream quick and easy. Oops. It's not quick and easy. And then you put the time that you want to start. So today, you could set it for any day you want the event. So the event is your stream, is when you're going to stream. We call that an event. So let's say right now it's 8:52, so p.m. So let's say I'm going to start at 9 o'clock. So I pick 9 o'clock. I put in a description, you know, the truth according to the Bible, okay? And then you say the changes. So you could do this here. You could make it public, meaning when you stream, everybody can see it. You could make it unlisted, meaning when you create the program, it doesn't broadcast it. So it's unlisted. And what you're gonna have to do is you're just gonna have to share your stream. I think you share the link of your stream to the to whoever you want to see your show. But we're gonna do public because you want everybody to see it, right? You want brothers to come to your channel and be able to see your stream. So just leave it on public. Click Save Changes. Okay. One thing I forgot to mention, Slakia, is over here on the right. It defaults to quick, where it says type. Then you have custom, which is more it's more complicated. Just leave it on quick because it basically does everything for you. So once you're done, you click Save Changes, and your event is now saved. You could go here and click on View Watch Page, And as you can see, the event is there. It's going to start today at 9 p.m. We have 5 minutes left. Okay, and this is here's a chat over here on the right. Okay, so once you do that, this looks good. You want to go to live control room. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm sorry, brothers. I'm trying to make this. Hold on. I want to make this as easy as possible for you. So once you see this here, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go back over here. So in other words, once 9 o'clock hits, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna come here. You're gonna go to my channel. You're gonna go to Video Manager. You're gonna go to live streaming. Events. You should see your event. Here we go. This is the event we just created. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit this button, Start Hangout Air. You're going to see another screen pop up like this. And this is okay, so this shows you what's going to stream. All right. So from here, what you could do is you could fix your camera, move it up, move it down, whatever. As you can see down here, where it's loading, you have to wait until it loads all the way and it says Start Broadcast. Once you hit Start Broadcast, you're actually going to be streaming. All right. So there's some controls up here. If you notice that you get to the screen and it's straight black, it's not showing anything, just click on Settings here and make sure over here you have your webcam, whatever the name of your webcam is. Make sure that's selected as the streaming source, because if something else is selected, then you're gonna have a black screen. So make sure it's got your webcam selected. Okay, under communication, make sure your webcam is selected under communication, because your webcam has a speaker. If it doesn't have a speaker, then leave it to whatever this was at. Okay, and that's all you need. You hit save. Another thing is, if you notice, if you're doing a live stream, if you hit Start Broadcast there, and you're doing a live stream and brothers are saying that the stream is messed up, choppy, going in and out, what you could do to try to mitigate that is you click here where it says Adjust Bandwidth Usage, and you lower it. Right now I got it all the way as high as possible, meaning to have the clearest picture, but that takes a lot of bandwidth, meaning it uses up a lot of your internet. So what you want to do is lower it like 1 notch, even 2 notches, you see. So this is up here is more like 1080p, which is the highest quality you could get with this webcam. In the middle, this is like maybe 720, okay. But still, as long as brothers can hear you and see you, okay, that's all you need. So once you're done with that, what you do is you hit Start Broadcast. Now over here on the left, you can see the thing going up. That means it's picking up my sound. Right? It's picking up my voice. So once that looks all good, you hit Start Broadcast. You're going to see this. Okay. You hit OK. It says starting. Okay, boom. Now it says Stop Broadcast here. What that means is right now you're broadcasting. So what you want to do is you want to minimize this. Just close this down. And what I usually do is I do this. I click on this. Okay. This is what brothers that are coming, this is what they're seeing. They're coming to your channel. This is exactly what they see. They see the chat room over here. They see you streaming over here. Okay. So what you want to do is you don't need to watch this. If you have this screen on, you're going to be using a lot of extra internet because it's streaming you plus you're watching the stream yourself. That's killing the internet. So get away from the screen by clicking on that live control room. And it's going to tell you here if your stream is okay, what you're streaming at, 720p. All right. Like I said, if this says it's bad, start saying it's bad. Brothers start complaining. You go here, it might say it's bad. You go back to your screen, that second screen, which is always there, and you go here and you lower it. Okay. And sometimes that still doesn't fix it because the ESO might be messing with your stream. So when you're on this page, what you do is you go here and you click on open in a new window, the live chat. And that way you can watch a chat just like this, and you could talk to brothers, and you're streaming. Periodically, you might want to go here, you know, make sure make sure you look good on camera. But you know, go here and just make sure everything is right. Make sure you know you got the type of view you want. You might want to adjust the camera, whatever. When you're done, when the end of the lesson, when you're finished, you know, you're probably gonna be over here watching the live chat and stuff, you know, searching articles or whatever. Whenever you're done to end the stream, you go back to that window here and you just hit stop broadcast. Broadcast has been successfully terminated. Now you can close everything out. Okay, close everything out, and it's going to do the processing of your show. It records it, it's going to process it. Once it's in there, whenever you go to your list of your videos, okay, when you go to the list of your videos, it hasn't popped up yet, but in a couple minutes you'll see in the list of your videos, like if I go to Video Manager, here we go, how to stream quick and easy. It's a stream we just did. All right, brothers, so I'm gonna yeah, so that's it, brothers. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna erase this, but I'm recording. I got my screen recorder on, so I'm gonna process that and re-upload this video on this channel. I'll go to my GMS on Air channel and I'll post a link to this channel, to this video, so you brothers can know how to live stream. All right, brothers. So with that, I'm gonna say shalom. Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushua Barakatuh. Shalom.